Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Crafts by Chaitra. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so you don't miss any of the notifications. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful Teacher's Day card. Isn't it beautiful? So this is how it pops up and looks like.
So let's get started. For this you will need scissors, sketches, scale, glue and some color papers. To start you will need to take 33.5 into 20 cm paper and mark at 8, 16, 24 and 32 centimeters. Draw lines over there and fold the lines. Mark at 10 cm from the top and connect all the dots. So it will become a line in the between of the paper. Then cut it as shown here. Take some bright color paper which is the contrast of the background paper and stick it like this. Then take 15 into 19 cm yellow color rectangle paper and fold it into 4 parts like this. Cut a slit on one side of the paper like this and stick it on the base we have made for the greeting card. Now let's make some embellishments. To make them, take pieces of paper and draw like this on them. Decorate it as much as you can. I have made 4 of these like this using pink color and red color paper. Then take the base of the paper and decorate it by sticking those embellishments on the base. I have also made one more embellishment. I wrote happy on it. So I am sticking it on the base like this. I have cut out 8 small squares with red color paper and I wrote TEACHERS on each of the squares. Now I am sticking it under happy. Let's make some more embellishments. Here I am drawing a scale. I am cutting out spectacles out of black paper. I am also drawing and cutting out a pencil out of light blue color paper. I have made some more embellishments to make it more decorative. Then I am taking 10.5 cm width paper and folding it 1 cm from both the sides. Then I am sticking those strips like this inside of the box. Lastly, I am sticking all the embellishments we have made to the strips we have connected inside of the box. Take a small pink sheet of paper and make it into a flower like this.